Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the culinary expedition. Today we are in Cabo Verde. I'll be preparing Jag Jagacida, also commonly known as Jag. Let's have fun. Starting with a pan of hot oil, I'm adding the linguiça. I'm just going to kind of cook this. Okay, I finished up the linguiça. It's set aside. I'm going to caramelize some onions. I'm going to add some sugar to help promote that. The onions are basically caramelized. I'm going to add some garlic. And we'll cook this for about... Now I'm going to add the rice. And we're going to kind of just toast it. While it's toasting, I'm going to add some smoked paprika and ground cumin. Then I'm going to add chicken stock. Some white wine. Tomato paste. Get this all stirred in. I'm going to add a bay leaf. I'm going to add, next thing I'm going to add is lima beans. Stir those in. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, then right down to the lowest simmer that you can get for 20 to 30 minutes. Welcome back, and it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. And here's the Jag after 20 minutes. But I need to apologize because one thing I did not show was the addition back to the dish, the linguiça. So you add it before you go to a boil, then simmer. And here's the final presentation of Jag from Cabo Verde. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.